In this video, I will show you how to connect your Hisense TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. If your remote is lost, broken, or unavailable, there are several methods you can use to get your TV back online. I will cover the best solutions step by step, along with a few troubleshooting tips if a method doesn't work for your TV. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixx Tech. Here you'll find simple tech tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and useful Windows tips to help you fix common problems. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss future videos. The first thing I want you to do is check whether your Hisense TV has any physical buttons. Look underneath the TV, along the sides, and on the back. Some Hisense TVs include menu, channel, volume, input, or navigation buttons that can be used when the remote is not available. If you find these buttons, use them to open the settings menu. From there, go to Network Settings, choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect the TV. If your TV only has a power button and no other controls, then this method will not help, so move on to the next option. The next method is to use a USB mouse. Connect a USB mouse to one of the USB ports on your TV and wait a few seconds. On many Hisense TVs, a cursor will appear on the screen. If you see the cursor, use the mouse just like you would on a computer. Open Settings, go to Network or Wi-Fi Settings, select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect. If the cursor does not appear, unplug the mouse and connect it again. You can also try a different USB port. If the TV still does not recognize the mouse, continue to the next method. You can also try using a USB keyboard. Plug the keyboard into a USB port on the TV and check whether the arrow keys and enter key can control the menus. If they work, open Settings and go to Network Settings. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect the TV. If the keyboard does not control the menus, try another USB port. If the TV still does not respond, move on to the next solution. Another simple way to get your Hisense TV online is by using an Ethernet cable. Connect one end of the cable to your router and the other end to the Ethernet port on the TV. After connecting the cable, give the TV a moment to establish an internet connection automatically. Once connected, check whether apps that require internet are working properly. If the TV does not go online, make sure the cable is firmly connected at both ends. You can also try a different Ethernet port on the router. If the wired connection still does not work, try the next method. Now let's talk about the mobile hotspot trick. This method only works if your TV was connected to Wi-Fi before and you know the old Wi-Fi name and password. Open the hotspot settings on your phone and change the hotspot name so it matches the old Wi-Fi name exactly. Then change the hotspot password so it matches the old Wi-Fi password exactly as well. Once that's done, turn on the hotspot and restart your TV. Because the TV remembers the old network details, it may connect to your phone's hotspot automatically. If it does not connect, carefully check the hotspot name and make sure every letter, space, and capital letter matches the old Wi-Fi name. Also make sure the password matches exactly. Then give the TV a few minutes to reconnect. If your TV is connected through an Ethernet cable or through the hotspot method, you can try controlling it with a mobile app. Download the correct app for your TV. This could be Remote Now, Hisense Smart TV, Google TV app, or the Roku app if you have a Roku-based Hisense TV. Open the app and search for available devices. When your TV appears, select it and enter the pairing pin if one is shown on the screen. After the app is connected, use the virtual remote to open the Wi-Fi settings and connect the TV to your current network. If your TV does not appear in the app, make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same network, then search for the device again. The last method is for people who have an Android phone with an IR blaster. Install a compatible TV remote app on your phone and select Hisense TV from the list of supported devices. Point the phone toward the TV and test the controls. If the controls work, open the network settings and connect the TV to Wi-Fi. Keep in mind that this method only works on phones that have an IR blaster built in, and it may not work on newer Hisense TVs that use Bluetooth remotes instead of infrared control. And there you have it. I hope this guide helped you connect your Hisense TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. Whether you use the TV's physical buttons, a USB device, an Ethernet cable, the hotspot trick, or a mobile app, hopefully one of these methods got your TV back online. If a method worked for you, or if you have a question, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.